A quick one, guys. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a friend on Snapchat. You can easily remove friends you don't want to see their snaps on Snapchat, and they also will stop seeing your snaps on Snapchat. So it is quite easy, and all you need to do is follow the steps I'm about to share with you in this video. So the first thing you want to do is you want to launch the Snapchat app on your Android phone or iPhone, and once it is launched, you can either click on this icon or click on this second icon on the navigations. So click this, and here you have access to all your friends on Snapchat. To delete a friend on Snapchat, all you need to do is press and hold the friends you want to delete, and you should see a pop-up. Then click on manage friendships. Once you click on manage friendship, you see an option that says remove friend. Tap remove friend. Click on remove friend, and then you should see a pop-up that says remove and cancel. Just tap remove, and once you hit the remove button, the friend will be removed from your Snapchat friend and it will be deleted permanently. So this is how you can easily delete a friend on Snapchat. So guys, if this video is helpful, you want to hit the like button first, you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.